1970 5, 6 ꯑꯗꯥꯏꯗ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯝꯃꯦ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯍꯧꯔꯛꯄ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯀ꯭ꯂꯥꯁ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯑꯩ ꯀ꯭ꯂꯥꯁ 5 ꯇꯝꯃꯤꯕ ꯁꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯀꯨꯜꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯁꯧꯃꯟ ꯊꯥꯡꯖꯝꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯗꯩ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯍꯧꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯊꯕꯛꯇꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯃꯇꯝꯗꯨꯗꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯁꯦ 와봐 해보고 농당 풍 바로 따라가 허글러서 야고 그러긴 군나 갖더네 뭐던데디 군나 웅든고 앙레이도이나 앙랑 굿오이시 지더라 보면 아이 칼레 거이네 굿오이시 너무 아이때다 거이네 언덕지 좀 칼레 어디 나왔어 블라우아시 오일러마 바티 오일러마
아이나 그 누파기 메팅 빵바시 아기 사누파 톰바시 봄바퉁 sahi ani makhai harak ma tamada ide meting pang 2006 te hore aina meting pang bas adu matamda yang waram mi wa ba haibadi akoina sahi suri bagano do akoina haiba nate do
tha taruk trem ki mamang do khong na ba hore aina di ma sin tang pai bi ni de hai ro ke mo so wakhan ji chonda gi na aina chawga chale mo de adu no nang kai dong na de no khote na aina mundang je na ai mu putor ga tai ko mai nakal ani prat tung tung le mi ke no aina khai ra kan phane ba ai nungdang ye tha kan na phone ne
Many of the blacksmiths continue to use hand-powered fan to blow the charcoal to heat the metals. They continue to use the like 3 kg or 5 kg hammer. So this is very tiring as well as time-consuming.
handak tha gi wena su thang ahom mari wadar ja handok le handok ki bai ja ik ja pham na ke ai bu nuksi bi la ni ne me oi lai okul lagi adigi lagi thoban dagi phone number bi ma chakhre moi bai ga hek loi re ga phone to bi gon pi gi adu ngak ne ben da ai pi bi song am di lai bo dar me
So if we introduce a simple innovation like say a small solar powered blacksmith blower or a power hammer, it impacts their livelihood activities so much. Like firstly, they become very efficient, they can work much faster, and the drudgery is completely removed there.
hai ba awa ba matam ni thai ne gi do madu da gi di yam kajikra na te yam saw ba hong ngam por ya
adagi mu hujikna solar sida depend noi tawrabanina akoi se mai yawa su leitre adai matok jam sagi power hammer sina mohena mohut chingre
When we installed the blacksmith power hammer and the blacksmith blower, the happiness that the customer showed when they first tried the system. She said this particular item that we made, it used to take them close to an hour and more. Plus they have to heat that particular metal 4-5 times and then hammer away. With the help of the blower and the power hammer, they could do it in less than 2 minutes.
hujikti yam chaw ba ahom bam la bo paisa ju ji nong da lising ahom gam matam da na nong da chani chahom
So their income multiplies, plus their health issues are also addressed. I mean, there's no physical hardship that they go through anymore.
wa ba da handare ko tho hele matam chana pi ba mo ko ahom ba yam chaw ba ko le bu ji maru na chang ngai ba ne ba to paisa da ngai re chang ngai re to si re ngai bu kai ji ngai ko le du
Such examples that we see, is what keeps us going, and we hope to replicate such happiness, with many other households and families across Manipur.